how a simple traffic stop turned into this.
We're continuing. He stopped at the red light. We're proceeding through the green light. No indication he has any. Free to go! Put your hands up! Do it now! Do it now!
573, I could copy.
Hands up! Do it now! Considered armed and dangerous. Put your windows down. Do it now. You in the red Civic. You're under arrest. It's the Waller County Sheriff's Office. Show me your hands. It's the Waller County Sheriff's Office. Show me your hands. 77 out on 50. Turn my lights on at Grand Geneva, and this is where we're in. Car, please put your window down so we can talk. You in the red Civic, and you did comply with it.
573, I have a phone number for that subject.
Looks like he's getting ready to drive away. Stop the vehicle! Put the car back in.
Coordinated to set up stop sticks and vehicles to block the suspect from escaping.
Traffic tickets, it's not that big of a deal. Let's talk about this. We don't want to hurt you, Skyler. Talk to us.
Request one of our canines if there's any other canine that county.
Hey, I got your window down. I appreciate that, Skyler. Can we talk? Can we talk? Skyler, is that you in the car? Have you guys gone through the new high-risk stops? Not good, but next. If you had never been trained in it, it's awkward at first.
This officer is using a nearby home to get a better angle on the
Operation so far. Again, we don't want to hurt you. I understand you're
with Skyler. Apparently, Skyler's excuse for this situation is that he's...
Now we have some things we got to work through, but do you feel comfortable coming out and talking to me? Your cooperation so far. I appreciate you showing me a hand, Skyler. Can you put down? They have weapons and stuff like that. Is there any chance you can put the window down all the way and show us both hands? That would make us all feel. Again, we don't want to damage your car. We don't want to hurt you. Sounds like. What can I say to get you to come out of the car? Can you talk to somebody, they talk to me, and then I talk back? If you can get out of the car.
His hand's back on the steering wheel.
Hey, Jamie, his hands are on the steering wheel.
I appreciate it. Skyler, right now we're looking at some traffic tickets, and I understand that there's a lot going on in your world, and you and I have never met about this. I'm a pretty reasonable guy if you ask around. I was born and raised in Lake Geneva. To talk to you about. If you can just put the window down. All right, what's your name?
Rami.
Rami? Okay. In the front, I'll pull up and pin him. Put in between the cars. We can put a 40 in. When you say back window, like one of the back passenger door windows rather than the big one? We don't want to hurt you. We don't want to damage your vehicle. We do need you to come.
565, he advised he's just going to put his car in drive.
Free to go. Skyler's going to get damaged. You may get hurt. You're going to face felony charges. Talk to us. That will help all of us.
He stated.
I understand you think more charges is better than just getting out of the car. Don't want anybody to get hurt, Skyler. Darren, so the Bearcat's going to... Hey, Skyler, appreciate your cooperation with communicating with our dispatch. Sorry about that. It was still on from earlier. Obviously, things have escalated now with your intent to flee from us. Please exit the vehicle.
Skyler, it's the Waller County Sheriff's Office. Step out of the vehicle with your hands up, facing away from us. If you do not...
Come back. See what happens. I got a window punch. We have an Amber Alert going on?
No, it's... Wait.
Skyler! Move it.
Gonna comply or not?
Misting this way.
Keep on back.
We don't want to bite you. If you fail to comply, you will get dog bit.
Only action you can do to not get dog bit right now is to step out of the car. Open the door.
Okay, he's coming out.
You are not free to go. Step out of the fucking car. Out of the car.
Out, man. You're gonna get down out. All the way there. This is not a Brazzers video. All right, he's good.
Oh, at least take me to dinner before you molest me. God damn. Reference for a what?
Tow truck.
A tow truck? Yeah, come on. A girl don't even touch me like that.
We're gonna sit you up on your butt. Every opportunity to comply.
Yeah, well now I can tell my boss I was arrested. Yo, oink.
Look to the left. Okay. Do you need a rescue squad?
Yeah.
You want a rescue squad?
I seem to be handling it better than
from the get-go. You're under arrest.
Okay.
Okay. Food at the jail.
Scott, you want some water?
After you see a judge. So I don't know if you did your timeline anymore. You had every opportunity to comply. Yeah. Had you pulled over there, I would have wrote you a ticket and let you go on your way.
Wrong.
Except going 77 and 55.
77's crazy. Now you're lying on my name.
No, you're going 70. Yes, sir.
That's crazy. This feel like
Side street, sure.
really small ego. Really big ego.
Is that me trying to stop you and you fleeing?
Not that I have an ego.
Oh, okay.
I got a head on my shoulders.
You would ask for a rescue squad. It is here. Transported.
What's going on, my man? Y'all good?
Him on Edwards, but he wasn't fleeing. He just wasn't stopping. I'm comfortable with him riding with me. Very good. At the jail, they will take a look at you. All right, you seem healthy enough at the jail.
They would take me to the hospital.
All right.
Who's gonna tell my boss I'm arrested?
You can. Those adult type decisions.
She threw me on the ground like a sex doll. Man, ain't you Lake Geneva?
Yeah. That's where the hospital's at too. I don't believe I've denied any of your rights so far.
Once?
Yep.
It scared you, didn't it?
Avoid any breakdown in communications and things getting
You
missed.
remember how I put my car? Dementia?
Well, eventually you put your window down a little bit.
Feel real stupid.
I don't feel stupid at all. You're the one that should probably feel
traffic
stupid.
ticket ain't no reason to miss work. Going to jail, that's one thing. My logic is
so incredibly
standard. Oh, we got backup too? This a month at that point?
Are you diagnosed with anything?
Oh yeah.
Oh, what are you diagnosed with?
Y'all gonna pay for the glass y'all broke on my car?
Nope.
This is definitely
Didn't have to be.
slavery. America of the free. I gave you the option. And they find nothing but a drill, some channel lock, the water, and a can of Red Bull. You don't feel real goofy, used as a weapon unless I was mentally deranged.
And here's
Don't stop for I had to get as close as I could get to work. My boss could see that I have no control over that.
It just doesn't make any sense to me. Morning.
Mentally deranged. Y'all got a sight for here? Pretty crazy. I got lung damage from the grenade.
Pepper spray.
Yeah, I handled it better than the cops though.
I don't know. Maybe.
Cool.
Have you ever smoked cigarettes?
After moving Skylar to a nearby room in the hospital.
Chill! Y'all already practically me to search.
Sit down.
Yeah, bro.
Sit down. You do not get up again, you understand?
Wow.
Okay.
This feels like excessive force, officer. You trying to break my toe, dog? These dogs bottom.
No. Sit down.
Golly. I want water. Definitely excessive force. Can I get some water? I'm about to be homicidal.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. They're committing suicide on me.
There's a process.
And I hope all three of you go through the exact same guns in your head, the same way I did earlier. Except this time I hope they pull them. And God goes, remember that pride you held on to so hard? Now that my hands and they're cutting my fucking sweater. Oh, I know you. Well, might as well put me down. I'm like the old generation down there. You made that a little too tough.
In a court of law,